Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are going to be learning how to create a free trade account. So let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser and type in freetrade.io in the search bar and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for FreeTrade. From here, go to the top right corner and click on the Get Started button. Once you click on Get Started, you'll be directed to this sign up page where you will need to enter your valid email address and create a password in the password field that you'd like to use as your login password. Once you are done creating your password and entering your valid email, scroll down and confirm your password by retyping it again. Finally, confirm that you are not a US citizen or a dual US citizen and/or a US tax resident. If you are not, if yes, leave the box unchecked and click on Create an Account. Right after you do that, you'll need to confirm via email. Go open up your email inbox associated with the account. Open the inbox for the same email that you just created an account with. After opening up your email inbox, click open the email from FreeTrade team and click on Verify Email. Once you verify the email, you have successfully created an account for FreeTrade. Now, you'll be redirected to the login page, enter your registered email and click continue, and then enter your password that you just created. Finally, go ahead and log into your account. Select SMS or the Authenticator app option and click setup right next to it. Enter a phone number or download the Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile device and scan this QR code. You can also go ahead and copy this key and paste it inside your Authenticator app. I'm just going to scan the QR code from my Google Authenticator app on my mobile device. So once you scan the QR code, you'll be able to create a key for FreeTrade. Go ahead and enter the verification code generated from your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authy app. And once you do that, you have successfully set up two-factor authentication. Once you are completed with that, go through the privacy policy, and the next thing to do is to verify your identity. Enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth info, and then your postcode. Type it down respectively in the text boxes. After filling in all of the info, you'll need to go ahead and complete all of these 5 steps, and then you will complete your sign up process. You'll also need to upload your government issued ID and complete the verification process, and then wait for the approval. The verification can take a few minutes or sometimes longer depending on checks. So after you are done with it and you are approved, your FreeTrade account will be ready to use. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.